The national president of the NPP, Conrad Sangma, who had spoken to media persons on Monday, informed about the parties that have been included to share cabinet berth under the new MDA government. At the same time, Sangma added that a consultation with other MLAs will take place to project the candidate for position of Speaker of the Legislative Assembly.
One will go to the HSPDP and one will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolios, the berths, cabinet berths. And out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasi Jayantini Hills region. So this decision, of course, was not taken in the MDA, but I'm just informing you about the breakup that has been worked out with all the respective partners. Also, we have passed a resolution within the party regarding the candidature for the speaker's post and the election. So the NPP has proposed name and have entrusted me to speak to the rest of the coalition partners to formalize the name. And once I speak to the coalition partners and get their consent, we will be announcing the name of the candidate for the speaker's post.